Ever notice the doors of your house, cupboards, or your wardrobes? Why the handle of these doors are always at edges of the door? What about the remaining area of the door? Why the handle is not placed at these areas? Does it don't have proper aesthetic look? No. Even placing a handle at center of the door seems good. Then what's the reason? Why they are kept only on edges? In this video, we are going to learn a most important concept of physics that we are exploring day to day. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. Behind every rotating or a turning object, there will be a force that tends them to rotate or turn about an axis. We call this force as torque. So, why do we need torque? How can we control it? Typically, when we have more torque, it will be easy for an object to rotate or turn about certain axis. Every rotating or a turning object will have a center of rotation and its axis about which it rotates. To rotate the object, a force should be given. And this force can be given at any point perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Then, the torque to rotate this object will be directly proportional to the force that is given. And the perpendicular distance between axis of rotation and the point where force is given. So, it's clear that if we need to increase the torque, either we need to increase this perpendicular distance or else we need to put more force to rotate. That's the reason for why the handles of the door are always placed at the edges. The hinges on the door form the axis for its rotation. A torque should be given in order to rotate the door. This torque can be made by giving more force on door or else can be achieved by giving small force at greater distance from axis of rotation. That's why the handle of the doors are always placed at the edges of the door and not at center. Our regular tools are also made with certain lengths in order to more torque with less force. Hope you have learned about torque and its application all over. Subscribe and like to receive more content like this. Comment for channel improvement. Thanks for watching.